Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.5706 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.5685. 1.5988. The earlier day close, 1.5913. The change was 0.0207. 1.30%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, February 20. Cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72. Low 1.50. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, February 21. Cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67. Low 1.45. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81. Low 1.57. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, February 23. Cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84. Low 1.60. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 1.70 rands, high 1.82. Low 1.58. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, February 27. Cost 1.72 rands, high 1.84. Low 1.60. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 1.73 rands, high 1.85. Low 1.61. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, walk 1. Cost 1.75 rands, high 1.87. Low 1.63. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2. Cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67. Low 1.45. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, walk 3. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, walk 6. Cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74. Low 1.52. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, walk 7. Cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69. Low 1.47. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, walk 9. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, walk 10. Cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68. Low 1.46. In 3 weeks Dogecoin estimate on Monday, walk 13. Cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14. Cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65. Low 1.43. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, walk 15. Cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73. Low 1.51. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16. Cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72. Low 1.50. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, walk 17. Cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75. Low 1.53. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, walk 20. Cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77. Low 1.53. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, walk 21. Cost 1.71 rands, high 1.83. Low 1.59. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2023. In the first place cost at 1.64 rands, exorbitant cost 1.85, while low cost 1.37. The found the middle value of cost 1.65. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.73. Change for February 5.5%. Dogecoin gauge for WAP 2023. In the first place cost at 1.73 rands, exorbitant cost 2.02, while low cost 1.40. The found the middle value of cost 1.76. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.89. Change for spring 9.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 1.89 rands, excessive cost 2.34, while low cost 1.89. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.08. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.19. Change for April 15.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2023. Initially cost at 2.19 rands, excessive cost 2.19. while low cost 1.71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.98. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.84, change for May 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.84 rands, excessive cost 1.84. While low cost 1.44, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.67. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.55, change for June 15.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 1.55 rands, excessive cost 1.93. While low cost 1.55, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.71. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.80, change for July 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.80 rands, excessive cost 2.05. While low cost 1.79, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.89. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.92, change for August 6.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.92 rands, excessive cost 1.92. While low cost 1.66, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.82. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.78. Change for September 7.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.78 rands, excessive cost 1.99. While low cost 1.73, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.84. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.86, change for October 4.5%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.86 rands, excessive cost 1.86. While low cost 1.45, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.68. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.56, change for November 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.56 rands, excessive cost 1.56. While low cost 1.22, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.31, change for December 16.0%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 1.31 rands, excessive cost 1.40. While low cost 1.22, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.31. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.31. Change for January 0.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 1.31 rands, exorbitant cost 1.38. While low cost 1.20, the found the middle value of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.29.